In this video, I show you how to delete Live Launcher Lite on Android. For doing this, go to your phone settings, click on Settings, and click on System Settings. Then go to Apps. Then click on Live Launcher Lite, tap on it. You can see that there is no uninstall option. Scroll down, then click on Home App. Then go back to your original full launcher, Ideal Launcher, System Launcher, or any other launcher you are using, then tap on it. Then go to Settings again. Then go to Apps. Then tap on Live Launcher Lite. Then tap on Uninstall. Then OK. Now you have successfully deleted Live Launcher Lite app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.